How to unlock your Snapchat account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can unlock your Snapchat. So when your account has been temporarily locked, you can wait patiently for 28 to 48 hours, and after that your account will be automatically unlocked. However, if it is for permanent reasons, then it is quite hard to get back your account. However, in that case, you need to contact the support team if you're unable to unlock your account and you can't recover your Snapchat data as well. Or else, if nothing seems to be working out, then the only way to use Snapchat is by creating a new account and adding the same people that was on your friend list. So in order to contact the support team, you have to go to your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in help.snapchat, and here you need to go ahead and select I can't access my account, and over here you need to go ahead and select the link that says my account is locked. And here you'll be provided with list of articles, statement and information on what not to do and what to do when your account is actually locked. So in order to proceed on to the next step, click on the link that says contact support here, submit a request, and just go ahead and select I can't access my account, and then you need to go ahead and scroll down a bit, and then you can just go ahead and select my account is locked. After that, you'll be notified with all of these statements that how you can actually unlock your account and all that, and that's basically how you can contact the support team and state about the issue. So that is how you can unlock your Snapchat account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.